Hi, boys and girls. Any idea why I'm dressed like this? Well, I'm pretending. Well, not really pretending. I'm being a scientist. I don't have to pretend to be a scientist because I already have everything I need to be one. And guess what? On Fridays, that's what we're going to do. We are going to be scientists. And today's our first day to start learning about it. Now, I'm going to talk just for a few minutes, and then I have a special science video for you to watch. Ready? First of all, my question is, what do scientists need? Let's see if you have everything you need to be a scientist. First of all, they need eyes to see. Scientists look very carefully at things, and they wonder, and they think about them, and they look closely. A scientist needs their eyes. You have eyes? So far, so good. This is my picture of a nose. It's kind of nose-ish, right? Well, they need a nose to smell. They do. Scientists can learn a lot from how something smells. You can all do that, can't you? A little further down, it says, ears to hear. That's right. We listen really well when we're being scientists. Hands to touch. Well, I wrote hands, but it's a special part of your hands. It's the skin. You can touch with different parts of your skin. Usually we use our hands, don't we? Scientists use their hands a lot to learn about things, how they feel, how if they're wet, if they're dry, what the surface is. We need our skin, our hands, to feel. Down here is a funny little picture, and it says we need our tongue to taste. Scientists do that too, but that's one of the ones we have to be really careful about, right? We wouldn't taste everything, so scientists need a tongue sometimes. And we need one when we're thinking about things like food and other things. How things taste is another way a scientist can tell more and more about what they're learning. And the final thing I want you to know is that we need a brain to think, and wonder. A brain to think and wonder. That's what we need. It's amazing, isn't it? Because that's the big part about being a scientist. Scientists wonder. They do. Now, you're going to watch another video. And in that video, at the end, they're going to give you an assignment, a job to do. And they're going to have a paper. We're not going to use that paper exactly. We're going to use our science notebooks. Have you got your science notebook? Okay, don't start until you watch the video. You're going to open your science notebook right to the beginning, okay? And you might need a little help with this from someone near you, but we're going to trace our hand. You will see in the video that they traced their hand. So I'm going to do it down here, and I'll pick it right up. Tracing your hand with a pencil. It's okay if someone else does this for you because it's kind of tricky. Can you see it on there? That's my hand. I just traced it with a pencil. Okay. Now, on that next science video, they're going to tell you to look really close at your hand and draw the details. Like on my hand, I could draw the outside part, because that you can see the fingernails, or I could draw the inside part with the lines and everything. I want you to do a drawing of your hand and look at it really close, because that's what scientists do, and they write things in their notebook. That's why we're going to start with this. Now, if you want to, at the top, I'm going to use a pen so you could see it, you can write the words, my hand. Now, moms and dads, if you want to write it on a piece of paper so your child can copy it, or look, I'm holding it up. You could pause the video so they could write the title, My Hand. I don't ever want you to let a mom or a dad or a brother or sister, anybody write in your science notebook. This is yours. So today, when you watch the second video, I hope you like it. When it's time for you to do the activity, it's okay to watch the way they did it, but I want you to do it in your science notebook. I can't wait to see what you think. And you know what? Now that we're scientists, every Friday, we'll have something new to talk about and something new to wonder about. Boys and girls, I hope you have a great weekend. Can't wait to see you on Monday.